Well, there's the rack. That'll be nice. It goes on the front. We're going to put that on when it gets warmer. I don't think I'm going to put it on today. I'm going to put the fender on today because when Laura rides on warm days, when the snow's melting, she'll want that front fender because it keeps mud from kicking up. Well, the fender is easy. It just goes on with a 4mm and 5mm hex wrench. I got this nice wrench on Amazon with screwdrivers and hex wrenches. There we go. And one there. And it looks good. Nice mud flap down there. Well, that looks good for the fender. Ready for rain.